So tonight, we're going to have corn and shark burgers. Well, shark steak, I guess you want to call it, because we're not going to use buns. But anyways, so we got our meat, we've got our shark. I'm one-handed still, so this will be interesting. Make sure you do wash your hands before you handle your meat, especially if other people are going to be eating your meat. We don't want to contaminate the meat. So do that first, wash your hands, then we'll toss some of this into that bowl, mix it with a little bit of seasoning, maybe a chopped up orange pepper. It'll be great. Let's do this. There we go. Let's mix all that together. We're going to throw some Italian seasoning in there. And then I think we're ready. Now, let's pat up. There's a lot of meat right here. We also threw a little bit of oats in there just to hold it together. Then, place your shark in there and just pull off all the extra. Throw back into the bowl there. Make it extra. There you go. What we've done here is we've got a cookie sheet with some parchment paper on. We're going to put all our sharks on here, and then we're going to put them in the freezer for a little bit to firm them up. Let's put another layer of parchment paper on these. I'm going to throw these in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. There we go, we got our shark patties.